From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
The history of the 5 best steak sauces every chef knows is a rich tapestry of culinary tradition, innovation, and global influence. Each sauce carries its own legacy, born from different cultures and refined over time to become indispensable companions to the perfect steak. Béarnaise sauce, a classic French masterpiece, traces its origins to the 19th century. It is a derivative of the mother sauce hollandaise, enriched with shallots, tarragon, and vinegar reduction. Named after the Béarn region in southwestern France, it was likely created by Chef Culinary, who also invented the famed potato dish, pommes Anna. Its buttery, herbaceous profile makes it a luxurious pairing for tender cuts like filet mignon. Red wine sauce, or sauce bordelaise, hails from Bordeaux, the heart of France's wine country. This deeply flavored reduction combines red wine, bone marrow, shallots, and demi-glace, embodying the essence of French haute cuisine. Its origins are rustic, likely evolving from simple pan deglazing techniques used by home cooks and professional chefs alike. Over time, it became a staple in fine dining, enhancing the richness of ribeye and strip steaks. Chimichurri, a vibrant Argentine creation, reflects the country's love for grilled meats. Unlike its French counterparts, this sauce is uncooked, blending fresh parsley, garlic, vinegar, and olive oil. Its exact origins are debated. Some say it was brought by Italian immigrants, while others believe it was named after an Irishman, Jimmy McCurry. Regardless, chimichurri became synonymous with Argentine asado, barbecue, offering a bright, tangy contrast to smoky, charred steaks. Café de Paris sauce is a more enigmatic but equally revered butter-based sauce. Invented in the 1940s and at the Café de Paris in Geneva, Switzerland, it was created by Chef Freddy Dumont to accompany an entire butter-basted entrecote. The recipe remains somewhat secret, but it typically includes mustard, herbs, spices, Worcestershire sauce, and sometimes even curry powder. Its complex, umami-rich flavor has made it a favorite in steakhouses worldwide. Finally, peppercorn sauce is a bold, creamy reduction that gained prominence in French bistros before spreading globally. Made with crushed peppercorns, brandy, cream, and beef stock, it delivers a spicy, velvety finish to steaks like sirloin or porterhouse. Its popularity soared in the mid-20th century, becoming a hallmark of steakhouse menus, particularly in its au poivre form, where the pepper crust on the steak is amplified by the sauce. Together, these 5 sauces represent the pinnacle of steak accompaniment, each with a storied past that continues to influence chefs and delight diners to this day.
Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.